Viewers and listeners, I welcome you to my channel. In one of my previous videos, I talked about the countries that you can visit with your Ghana passport. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can begin the application process or go through the process to visiting Belize, because that was the country I emphasized the most. This video is information and education only, and it doesn't provide any legal advice. If you need a legal advice, please reach out to a lawyer for more information. Also, I'm only showing you how you can get to the country to visit the country. So if you have any extra mindset in mind, please, it's not part of this video. And I will encourage and advise you to just have a place in that country to visit and have a feel of out-of-home country so that you can also enjoy the benefits of your visa-free status. Let's start. In the video where I discussed the countries you can visit with your Ghana passport, we visited a page like this. The page's name is Visit World and the website address is visitworld.today. Okay, so you can visit this website to learn more for yourself. So, if you are a Ghanaian citizen who wants to enter Belize, you have to know the requirements that you need. The requirement we are going to explore today is you should take out an insurance policy for Belize for the entire period of your stay in the country. Okay. So a travel insurance policy must meet the following requirements. Minimum coverage of $50,000, and that's going to cover the cost of medical treatment, costs related to COVID-19, and repatriation. This $50,000 is not a money or a cash that you need to have with you, but you need to purchase an insurance with a minimum coverage of $50,000. So your coverage must be $50,000 minimum or more. Okay. And then also, you have to know that insurance is not required for the following persons: citizens and residents of Belize, which you are not; military, and I don't think you, the person trying to come in, is a military personnel. If you are a military personnel, then you don't need an insurance. And then passengers staying for a maximum of 24 hours. So if you think that by the time you enter into Belize and the time that you will leave the country is less than 24 or equal to 24 hours, then you will not need any insurance. Okay. And also the insurance policy must be issued by an insurance company registered in Belize and approved by the Insurance Regulatory Authority of Belize. Please note that all visitors to Belize must have a valid passport, a 30-day round-trip ticket, and sufficient funds, which is around $75 per day, to cover the cost of their stay. So this is telling us that for us to visit Belize, we need to spend at least $75 a day, or we need to have that amount with us to spend. So if your budget is not close to $75 per day, then you have to reconsider your thoughts. So let's try to apply for an insurance and see. So to apply for insurance, they gave us a link here, which is https://www.belizetravelinsurance.com. Let's click on that link. Once we click on the link, it's going to take us to this page. Here, definitely, this will be your first time visiting this page. So we have to sign up. So you enter your name, your phone number, your email address, you confirm your email address, you create a password, and then you start application. Once you submit the registration, it will take you to this page, and this is going to be your application ID number. You are going to complete the rest of the form. If you have any middle name, you're going to put your middle name, and then the passport number is required. So you're going to fill in the passport number, and then you choose your country of issue. In your case, it's going to be Ghana. You scroll down a little bit, and then you put your address. So you put your Ghana address, the city, the state or district or province. In Ghana, you're going to put a region. In Ghana, you do not have any zip code. So I will encourage you to put 5 zeros. And your country of residence is going to be Ghana. Then you're going to enter the information about your policy coverage. So what time do you think you will arrive in Belize? So you put that date there. And then what time do you expect to leave the country? That date too, you can put there. And then effective date of the coverage. So let's say you get to the country tomorrow, but you want your coverage to start maybe tomorrow next, then you're going to choose the date you want the coverage to start. If you want the coverage to start on the day you arrive in the country, you can also do it that way. Once you are done, it's going to ask whether you have any pre-existing medical conditions. If you don't have anything, it is optional, or you can just put not applicable or NA. And then you must provide an emergency contact. Okay, so please note that. Then you put a phone number, and then you put the emergency contacts email if there's any, but it is required, so you need to put something there. And then you save the application. Now check if every information on the application is correct, and then you scroll down and you save it. Once you save it, you have your application ID and you have the policyholder details. So you scroll down and then you're going to check out and pay. So let's hit checkout and pay. So once you click that button, you will see please verify your information before payment. Now check if your name, your date of birth, your contact information are correct. And then you put in your credit or debit card information, you agree to the terms, and you complete purchase. If you look on the screen right now, you will see that you are paying $18 plus a processing fee of 55 cents, making $18.55. So this is the amount you are going to pay for the duration you selected that you will be remaining in Belize. However, if anything should happen to you medically, you have an insurance coverage for a minimum coverage of $50,000. So you don't need a $50,000 in your pocket, but you need to go through this process to purchase the insurance package before you leave. So this is how you will sign up and purchase an insurance policy before your travel begins. Now that you know how to sign up to purchase an insurance package for your trip, let's explore some of the tourist places in the country so that when you get to the airport and an immigration officer asks you your purpose in the country, you will know what to tell that officer. So let's search tourist places in Belize. Based on TripAdvisor, these are some of the places you can visit in Belize. So please learn more about it and know how to pronounce the names right so that when you get to the airport and any officer asks you what you are coming to do, you actually know what to tell that officer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you once again for having the time to watch this video. And please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that we can grow this channel together.